Today we're going to be doing lesson 9.5 in our Goal Math book. It is on numerical patterns. How can you identify a relationship between two numerical patterns? We are going to skip unlock the problem. That is on page 559. And we're going to jump over to page 560 and look at the first example and do this together. So the first example says, when Alice completes each level in her favorite video game, she wins 3 extra lives and 6 gold coins. So for every level, she gets 3 extra lives and 6 gold coins. They want to know, what rule can you write to relate the number of gold coins to the number of extra lives she had won at any level? And how many extra lives will Alice have won after she completes 8 levels? So there's 2 answers to this problem, and for a lot of the work you do in this lesson, you will have 2 answers also. So here's your chart that is in your book. I just drew it out on bigger chart paper for you to see. I have the different levels 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it jumps up to 8. If you wanted to do 5, 6, 7, you could also. Then I have extra lives and I have gold coins. So obviously if you complete no levels, you have 0 extra lives and you have 0 gold coins. From the problem, I'm getting this information. I know that you get 3 extra lives for every level you complete, and then you also get 6 gold coins. So that's level 1. So level 2, if you complete 2 levels, I'm going to just double this. I will get then 12, and then 9, 18, for level 4, 12 extra lives, and 24 gold coins. How I got these numbers was figuring out that every time you completed a level, you get 3 gold coins. So I completed 1, so I got 3 gold coins. I completed 2 levels, so I got 3 more. I completed 3 levels, so I got another 3. I completed 4 levels, and I got another 3. Same thing with the gold coins. Every level you complete, you get 6 gold coins. So if I got 6 here, then I'm going to get 6 more, and then 6 more, and 6 more. So then I'm going to just draw my dots out to figure this out. All right, let's look at step 1 in your book. It says, to the left of the table, complete the rule for how you could find the number of extra lives won from one level to the next. So we're going to just look at the extra lives. That's all they're saying. Look at the extra lives. And what is the rule? What is happening to our numbers? What are we doing every single time? Okay, so I know my numbers are getting bigger. Since they're getting bigger, I'm going to be adding or multiplying. And looking here, I'm thinking I'm going to be adding. I'm going to add 3 each time. So that rule is to add 3. Step 1, we are adding 3 for our extra lives. So going straight across, we are adding 3 each time. Now step 2 wants us to look to the left of the table and complete the rule for how you would find the number of gold coins won from one level to the next. So now we're going to look at the gold coins. I go from 0 to 6 to 12 to 18 to 24. My numbers are getting bigger, so I'm going to add or multiply, and I'm knowing that I am going to be adding each time. And that also said it right in the word problem too. So the rule for just gold coins is to add 6. So for your step 2, add 6. You can fill in those boxes on your page. Step 3. Step 3 wants us to write number pairs that relate to the number of gold coins to the number of extra lives won for each level. So for level 1, they did it for us. Here's level 1. In the ordered pair, they want to do it gold coins, 2 extra lives. So it's going to be 6, 3 for level 1. Level 2, let's go to level 2. It has to go from coins to lives. So it's going to be 12, 6. Level 3, coins to lives. It's going to be 18, 9, And then level 4, 24 to 12. 24 to 12. I'm doing it 24 to 12 because they wanted it to go from gold coins to lives. If they said lives to gold coins, it would be 12 to 24. So make sure you are reading the problem carefully to see which number you have to write first. So far we figured out the rule for just figuring out extra lives straight across, and we figured out the rule for figuring out gold coins just straight across. Step 4, we're going to take it up a notch, and they want us to complete the rule to the right of the table that describes how the number pairs are related. Use the rule to find the number of 2 extra lives at level 8. Okay, so now they don't want to know just the rules going straight across. They want to know the relationship. What is the relationship between gold coins and extra lives? Or you could do extra lives to gold coins. So if I am going from, let's say, gold coins to extra lives, if I'm going from 24 to 12, I'm going from something bigger to smaller. So I am going to be subtracting or dividing. So the rule has to be the same for each one. Well, I know if I did 24 divided by 2, that gives me 12. If I did 18 divided by 2, that gives me 9. If I do 12 divided by 2, that gives me 6. And 6 divided by 2, that gives me 3. So a rule for going from gold coins to extra lives could be divide by 2. Or if we went the other way, if we went from extra lives down to gold coins, I could, going from bigger to smaller, add or multiply. Let's stop to think. What are we doing each time? 3 to 6, 6 to 12, 9 to 18, 12 to 24. We could multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 9 times 2 is 18. 12 times 2 is 24. So another rule for extra lives to gold coins could be